Why pre-white up wall want it's your boy Singh Zima back. I'm stealing the show. My teeth are phone, yeah. My teeth? No, as in just like a teeth. Ready?
And obviously it's not natural anymore. But I'm here with mom. Normally it would have been daddy, but yeah, changes in life. It's been a while. A lot has happened. A lot is happening. I have to catch up for next time. But for today, may I go April. And then we'll go to school for finals for netball. Hopefully I make it. And then we'll go home. And then we'll go Harborview for district youth thing. Yeah. So that's basically what's happening today. What has been happening why I've been MIA is because life is happening, guys, and school is happening, and I have assignments to do. Plus this whole interfaculty netball thing I take up my time, and I go to church rehearsals and all of them stuff like that. So but I just never have time for video. This is going to be a day in my life. And yeah, so I can see how hectic the day actually is and how the day actually seems. But yeah, doodles look nice. Emilia, I'm glad. Guys, the person that did my hair was Emilia. I'm going to put her Instagram somewhere. Yeah, Emilia always angle me here. Always. Which angle is? Yeah. Turn off this fan. So hi guys. Welcome to today's November the 5th, I think, or the 6th, one of them. But today's Monday. Yeah, and now I just get one bag of clips and one bag of different days. This remind me of one of Shelby them vlog. I don't know if you guys watch and I'm Shelby, but it's a Shelby. Some days should I just come. Must tell this tune already. Anyway, some days Shelby would just come and she'll do a vlog today, and then all of a sudden I'm saying I want new clothes and one new hairstyle. Boom, at the next day and a week after that, and I'm like, Shelby, get it together, Shelby. But no, I understand. No, I get it. Like, I'm trying to vlog a day and the day did not work out how I wanted the day to work out, and I forgot to vlog that day. So then it rolls over into another day, and then that day never get vlog, and then it rolls over into another day. But anyways, I'm telling you, keep this bag at 9. Yes, it's my hat bag. All the church girlies know you have to have a hat bag. Anyways, I'm telling you what I keep now. So right now, I'm cleaning. I cleaned the kitchen just not too long ago, and then I was like, I have to clean my room, I have to tidy my bed, I have to sweep and the room, I have to sweep, I have to fold my clothes, I have to put them up, I have to clean this mess right here. I want to show you all the mess, but I don't want to show you all the mess, but I'm going to show you all the mess. I'm going to show you all the mess. I have to clean this mess. Yeah, I have to clean that mess right there, you know? Yeah, I have to clean that mess. I have to sort it out. So right now, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. So guys, you know what? Right now I finished my meeting. Don't mind me, my bonnet. This is my favorite bonnet, by the way. So I finished my meeting. I finished my group work. Well, I finished my group meeting. I'm doing my group work now. I should be finished. I should have already been finished, but I was having a really great conversation with my friend. Big up Mix and which part should be right now. I was having a really good conversation with her. It kind of threw me off of my arrangement, but I'm really glad that I did. So May I finish my group right now? I'm supposed to be done by 12 o'clock and then I got my bed. So everything else that I had planned on doing is getting pushed to tomorrow since I'm gonna be at school early. And I'm not gonna say all of that because I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. And the video go up Sunday, the 12th. At the 12th, yeah, the 12th. Sunday the 12th, I'm gonna see this. Because I'm tired of putting piece of information together. A lot of persons have been asking me how I make my Google Slides presentation because they like how it look and all them. Some of them, as y'all have seen in the previous clip, the design and all of that. Before I usually design my own Google Slides, I feel like I'm going to make a TikTok on how I design my own Google Slides. But recently, I was on TikTok and I found this site where you can just download the Google site decoration. Like they show you different styles. So you put in the slide that you want. I put in all food groups, and it showed me different slides or different decoration slides on food groups, and I just pick one, I download it, and it sent me straight to Google Slides with the decorated slides. So all I have to do is just erase what they have and put in what I have. It's called Slides Go. I'm gonna screen record it or something and put it right here. It's called Slides Go. It's really easy to use. It says not a paid video, so I'm not promote the people them some unless slightly more, help us this out. But that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night and then go to bed. Good night, guys. People look at my face so weird. We'll get my shirt from my friend's business. It's so big.
That's a small.
This is the smallest one?
Is that plus size?
I don't know. It look oversized. This look at my chart but this is it from this is one the day. And the back. Yeah. But I know what Kylan do.
This goes Spanish tone. Hold listen to your elbow. No.
Wait.
Put it under your back. This goes Spanish. If you continue to give temporary solutions to the poorest of the poor, to the Spanish. Sing one song for them. For the God of the mountain, He's still God in the valley. Remind me of your grandmother, don't? When things go wrong, hallelujah, He'll make it right. And the God of the good times, He's still God in the bad times. The God of the day, He's still God in the night.
Drops Mike. So guys, I want to know why Kylan gonna buy donuts. So basically this is gonna be, I'm vlogging today, period, because I just have one mega video pile up together, and if I'm gonna start edit it, it's not going to be edited. I'm not have no video for post. I missed 2 weeks of posting. People, I never yet late so post a video in my life. Watch him. I never late for post a video saying in my life yet. So can you not? I'm just a some of them I feel like the quality just poor. It's not adding up. Sup vlog. Call it a day. So today we are para school and then we're gonna meet Dane. Watch Micah. Let me answer. He looks like Wolverine. Wait until let's see when we go nearer to Micah. We're not gonna see him. He just look like some Wolverine and walk in a people in campus. Him just look Wolverine-ish. So guys, we're in Barn. This is called Activity Center, Entertainment Center.
It's a place of sin.
It's a very, watch out.
Don't tell them to miss that.
Sinful place, man. Say hi, Micah.
Hey guys.
Say that.
Hi guys.
Wolverine 101. So we are going to this place now. When you Nectar, it on campus them sell smoothie. But the smoothie just expensive, but it tastes good. So that's the upside to everything. In the full my hair? Oh. Let's go, man. Let's go. If you continue to give temporary solution to the poorest of the poor, to the poorest of the poor, one day the poor will come. Okay, guys. Yeah. Huh? Well, Ashla. A-S-H-L-A-A. You can, yeah. Yeah? You're not in there.
This is the wonderful woman that made my
smoothie.
for herself.
And which part should there? One day the poor will become poorer, and the poor. What's your bumping on my forehead? And that's what you give me. We just come from Nectar and see something that we calling of. I got telling how it tastes, so I'm reaching out the car, but I don't say it tastes good already. My park around is student parking still. Yeah.
That's student parking?
I don't know, but I run there everybody park. So most student parking.
Student parking, as long as it's parking and you're a student.
That me no. We can park right outside a student parking.
Yeah.
Oh. No parking. Oh. Unruly. Unruly.
We have staff parking.
We say no parking. Staff parking. This is me at school on a Thursday. We just chill. Literally. I have one class.
Same, I have one class, but I break the rules.
4-hour class, and I'm not there right now. She give us lunchtime.
Oh. Wait, she get it at lunchtime?
Yeah, she give us a break.
Wanna get lunchtime?
What do you mean? Me not sit down for 4 hours. Who from mother could have tell me that? Me have to get up and I'm going to have some food. Camera, me I go walk. My blood, flow like the presence of the Lord.
Hallelujah. Guys, tell me why that person have eyelash on them.
Oh wow.
Yeah. This is a solid. This is a solid 9. The reason why I don't get 10, it's sweet.
I got it. Let's try it. Ready, 1 to 10.
1 to 10. It's sweet, bad. I like this.
Oh, Jesus.
Woo!
Yeah, one good taste. Juicy.
Right. I mean, the taste is different campus.
Yeah. Hundreds. Get out.
Yeah. Toulouse. Look at my gold accents. I love my watch and this bracelet.
You want to say bye?
Oh yeah, bye.
Bye.
Thanks, Dan. Hi guys. Say hi.
What's up? I'm on YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get famous.
Guys, we are buying a present, but him don't know where to buy. So this is where I come in. We're in the hair section. As you can see, we're at Fontana. It's all good inside. Let me tell you. I think shoulda in like combs and them something there. So let's keep the combs. What up, brother? So why not buy the neutral colors instead of them foolishness there?
She like blue.
She like blue?
What do you mean neutral color? What is neutral color?
Like this. Is she the type of person to go for black and white and some simple something, or she's the person to go for like some shocking colors? You're the girl with that.
I don't know. Yeah. You know, I think to myself, myself, I said, I said, no, sir, I don't know, no, sir, I don't know, no, sir, I don't know.
Because of that, you
But
don't
I don't know. No, sir, I don't know.
Bruh. This looks nice. But this is just brown and black. But it's also the quality.
We need to leave this,
Hey,
But I don't have a car.
they look so stressed out.
Huh?
They look stressed out.
Of course, I'm stressed out. Can you imagine me I spend my money, I should appreciate the thing?
So this are the black. I would go with the black. I would go with this. That is me there. Which he wrote on it. Okay. I'll come get the second one. That is it. So that is scrunchy. Everybody like a little scrunchy. She did?
Yes, she did.
Yeah, look at that info. We're gonna check the list, guys. So you do that. So the next girly thing will be claw clip.
What?
Claw clip. You know what is a claw clip then? Yeah.
I'm coming out of sleeping mode already.
But then remember, say I hear no. So you can't go for nothing small. You have to go for something like
I hear what?
our hair thick. So thick hair you can't go for nothing tiny like this. That way you have to go with our edges. So you have to go for something like this.
Actually, Abby's not wearing that.
She's not wearing that?
That's a giant.
There are braids on them, some of them is
No, that. Looks like furniture.
so then we have to buy. Alright. So we left that now. Are we gonna check the price? We're not buying any boots.
Watch out. I know why it's not wear Sunday. Buy the two on the two of this. I'm gonna feel it down here.
But
Oh no! Think about it, man.
we're not wearing that. I don't know think she don't want that. So why we are going down there? So we're supposed to go up. See here product said. Their product say up also. Yeah.
Yeah, everybody's in this. It's not Christmas.
Oh, it's right there. But you can't come on because you have some in your hand. So you have to stay there, so BRB. Package acquired. Let's go, man.
Alright. Now watch this now.
What is that?
Someone look at the funny face.
Can I get that? Can I get that trolley, please? Thank you. Alright, so scrap that basically. I can put some of them in actually, you know. And put back this something. Daddy is famous. We're in a Fontana and somebody asked me if you're there with me. That's crazy. That guy, yeah. These are better products. Them some here. The brand here good. Not bad.
Which one now?
One on time. Yes. I'm not gonna tell them.
So cool, see if we can find it.
The teddy bear. Guys, we're gonna look for teddy bear for Abby. We'll come back and circle the ear product section at a later date. escalator with this?
I think so.
Oscar, you sell teddy bears in here? The teddy bear, you sell teddy bears in here? Yeah. Upstairs
Big
again?
one?
Or at the back downstairs? Don't take no step. It's so... Don't wait. Yeah. Then... Go. I can go with my son, my always I say. Go home.
Hold on then.
Just
Now,
like
Gabriel
that.
Porter this.
That is not Gabriel Porter.
Look at the picture, Ashley.
That is not Gabby.
This is Gabriel Porter. You're not telling me that Gabriel Porter this. If Gabriel Porter, if you watch this, then you this.
Hey, I go. Hey, we feel like me walk Pantana. Like me just walk Pantana.
Remember time I walk in, go to that place there for buy candy. And the employee will come and say it's not worth it. Don't buy here.
Candy Crush?
Yeah. She says it's not worth it.
We're not stuff for kids.
I don't want it.
I know the drone.
It's not a drone, but it looks like a drone. And
We're gonna strap a camera on it. Guys, I know when I catch you back when we leave. So come back and walk up and down until 5 minutes. Yeah. So I catch you when we leave. Is we and then yeah, block the camera. We and then there and then I go buy a wet burrito. First of all, we're at Chilitos. The light. We're at Chilitos and Dane's choice in food is questionable. Where you go buy? Me I go buy a burrito. No, I go buy a taco. These are at Chilitos, right? How much would you give Chilitos food out of 10? 10 being it nice.
food,
Yeah.
I got 3.
How much would you give the ambience out of
5, 4,
10? 5, 4, 2, 1. Guys, I would give the food a 4. That's really nice was the juice. Bigger. Anyway, then. And then we did a stick picture. So, this is the end of the vlog, man.